Indians are under attack. Every second, hackers are targeting you, stealing your data, and even your money. Do you think your phone is safe? Think again. But don't worry, I'm here to show you how to fight back in just 2 minutes. India is now the #1 target for hackers globally, with over 27% of cyber attacks aimed here. From phishing scams to spyware, your phone is a goldmine for cyber criminals. Stay till the end, and I'll reveal 3 secret tips that hackers don't want you to know. Tip 1. Stop downloading random apps. Did you know 70% of malicious apps come from unverified sources? Always use trusted platforms like Google Play or the Apple Store. Avoid apps that seem suspicious or ask for unnecessary permissions. Tip 2. Use two-factor authentication. 2FA. Hackers hate this extra layer of security because even if they crack your password, they won't be able to access your accounts without your phone. Enable two-factor authentication on essential apps like Google or banking services to secure your data. Tip 3. Avoid using free Wi-Fi for sensitive tasks. Hackers love free public Wi-Fi because it's an easy entry point to steal your data. If you must use it, always enable a VPN to encrypt your connection and keep your information safe. So are you ready to protect your phone and beat the hackers? Share this video with your friends and family to help them stay safe too. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more cybersecurity tips. Together, let's stay one step ahead of the hackers.